Hi, everybody. And guess what? Today is day 100 of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge. And no, I don't even know what to say. I just am so excited. I am so happy. And I say thank you to everyone who has been with me since November 1st. Thank you to everyone who joined in halfway. And to, if you're just seeing this video, we've been doing this since November 1st, 2024. And today is February 8th, 2025. So it has been 100 days of coding. And always the full video is on YouTube. You can check it out. So today I have something special planned for you. I would not say it now. You would see at the end of the video. So welcome to the final day of the 100 days Python programming challenge. To the screen. Hi, everybody, and welcome to day 100. Day 100 of the 100 programming challenge. 100 of 100. It's over. This is the last video. Last Okay, sorry. I didn't say the topic of the video because I wanted to do something special. My own way of saying thank you to everybody who has followed along since the 1st of November till February 8. It has been amazing. I am so grateful. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, who has liked, who has left comments. Thank you to everyone in my community. So this is a special thank you project to you. I would not say anything about the project until you finally see it. So I have my folder, which is day 100, and I'm going to create my app.py file. So I have my app.py, and then I need my folder. I need my static folder. So that will have my static folder here. And in my static folder, I would have my CSS and my JS folder. So I have my CSS and then my JS folder. And in my CSS, let me just put all the styles and the JavaScript, so style.c. So these are the files and folders that I would be working with. I have my CSS, I have my JS, and my template file. So the first thing that I would do is in my app.py, I want to create my Flask application. So I would just import Flask, I will import render template, and I would import URL4. That is all I'm doing. And then my app equals to Flask name, and I would have just run route, and the route is just going to render the thank you HTML template. That's all I'm doing. I'm just showing one route and showing the template. And this is all I would have in my app.py file. This is all. So now let's move to my HTML. In my HTML, I will link my external CSS. That is the CSS that is coming from my static folder. And then I'm going to have a container. I would have my paragraph anchor, my paragraph tag, and I would have some text. And I'm going to link my JavaScript to my HTML. So I'm having my paragraph tag and with the text of me expressing my appreciation to everyone who has been following along on this journey. So I have the link to my external CSS, and then I have my message. I'm sure that you've joined me on this journey, and I say thank you very much for being part of this community. And this is the link to my external JavaScript, and this is the ID. This is where I want to draw my confetti. So next thing that I want to do is my styles. I'll go to my style.css and I'm going to, so I believe that this final day I'm not teaching, I'm just trying to say thank you. So it's not a teaching class. So then I'd have my styles for my background, my container, and the canvas, the keyframes, and so on and so forth. I'm really excited for what is to come. Are you excited too? You should be excited. You've been here for 100 days. So I'm using like an icon. So I'm getting the icon from this URL. And these are the styles that I would be working with. And then let's go to my JS, my confetti from J for confetti.js. So I'm going to add my code that it randomly just spawns small confetti pieces of various color and it lets them fall. So I'm using so I set up my canvas to fill the full browser window, and then each particle has a random point, X, Y, and the size. If you watched the fireworks tutorial, but then we didn't use JS for that, but it's kind of like the same thing. That it has a random position, it had a random speed, random size, and then I'm going to clear the canvas and draw a new particle. So as it keeps falling, new ones are drawn on the top. So if you have not watched the snow animation, I think we did that on Christmas Eve. You should check out that video. So this is another way that you can do it using JS. So I have all my codes. I have my CSS, I have my JavaScript, I have my HTML, and I have the app.py. And now let me show you the surprise that I have for you, just for you. This is my surprise. This is me saying thank you to everyone who joined the 100 Days Python Challenge. I appreciate your passion, your dedication, your hard work has kept me going. 100 is a lot of days. And from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you for being part of this community. I really appreciate the likes, I appreciate the comments, I appreciate everything. And I hope you stick around to see more of the stuff that I continue to do. But this is the end, but also not the end. It's also the beginning of something new. So thank you for coming along on this journey. It's 100 days. It's the 100 of 100. And this is the end. That is it for this video. And as always, the link to the notebook, to the code is in the description to my GitHub. I cannot say see you tomorrow because, well, there is tomorrow, but this is the end. Everything that has a beginning must surely have an end. So this is the end of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge. See you next time.